What up, what up? I finally got my box from the Wild Alaskan company. And let's do this unboxing. So the Wild Alaskan company is one of many companies selling fresh seafood straight from the waters of Alaska to your door. This came from somewhere in California. I forget where in California it was. Caution, packed with dry ice, removed with protective gloves. And I guess this is, what is this? Some sort of padding. Wow, this is real dry ice. This is dry ice and it's still frozen. Maybe I'll put it in my fridge. I'm gonna go put this in my freezer. Be right back. I took some of the dry ice and I put it in this cup of water and yep, that's dry ice. That's some cold stuff. That's pretty cool. It's really bubbling hard. I love playing with dry ice. This is so cool. Anyways, let's hope that I don't knock that over. Okay, where were we? I don't know, what does that say? Our insulation is compostable. After you remove it, oh, just, yeah, whatever. Coho. More coho. So I have paid $131 for 12 pieces of cohos. Apparently this is, wow, this is really cold. Keep frozen, thawing instructions, remove all packaging. I don't know, see that? So this is apparently skin on, and I guess it's been descaled. So all that remains now is to cook it up and tell you how it tastes. Anyways, they've got this monthly subscription thing where they'll send you 12 pieces of salmon either once a month, once every 1.5 months, or every 2 months. Right now I set it for 2 months to give myself the option of renewing or possibly canceling it. We'll see what happens. Oh, this is from Stockton, California. Stockton. So I'm guessing that the fish is already in Stockton because it came really quick. It's like it was shipped yesterday and it came today. So yeah, I mean, this is, I don't know, the idea of like getting fish directly from salmon from Alaska here is still frozen. This is amazing. This is really cold. You know, like, this is really, I don't know if you can see this. This is like, it's really well insulated from top to bottom. And this is great for keeping my lunches cold. I'm gonna use this for my lunch box. Moment of truth. I don't know about this piece. This is kind of the tail end. The skin's good. I damn near roasted that thing to perfection. I don't normally cook the salmon this way. I was kind of in a hurry. Normally I broil it. I think it tastes better that way. But right now, it just tastes like normal salmon. It doesn't taste like super spectacular. It is very good. It doesn't have the fishy smell that you typically have when you buy it from the supermarket. My uncle, he would go to Alaska, go on a fishing boat, catch salmons, and then they would cut it up and they would freeze it and they would send it to his house. So I guess this isn't too much different. Only the difference is I'm not catching it. I'm just having somebody else catch the fish and send it to my house. And $131 for 12 pieces of 6-ounce salmons, fresh, wild caught. You know, here in Vegas, it's not that easy to find great salmon, so I think there's a little more value here because we're in the middle of the desert. As opposed to, if I was in Seattle, I'd say definitely this is not worth it because there's definitely better values. The supermarkets offer, you know, Copper River salmons, king salmons, you know, a lot of different kind of salmons for about maybe at most $30–40 a pound for like the upper tier, the really best salmons. Like the Copper River Kings, they're gonna go for like $30–40 a pound. The cohos would probably go for like $9 a pound for fresh wild caught. So this is a lot more expensive than that. So do I think this is worth it? I don't know. I think I might keep my subscription for now, and let's see you know, what happens after I eat a couple more salmons and see how I feel. So that's gonna be it for this vid. Thanks for watching.